This first section of this video is about how I recorded my Audacity podcast. So I downloaded the Audacity app, and here's the little thumbnail here at the bottom of the screen. I downloaded the Audacity app to my computer. I watched an instructional video to see that it is a very user-friendly program. To get started very quickly, all you need is to have a microphone for your computer, and mine is built in, and hit this record button. Here's pause. This will be the play button after you have information recorded. This is the stop button. Further into this video, there will be some editing features that I did. So you press record. You begin speaking the information that you want recorded. You press stop when you're finished. Audacity file opened with my daily routine of the dyslexia therapy program. And visually, as you look at it, you can see that the sound waves are quite tiny. So I'm going to press play so that you can see that the volume is pretty low.
Hi, welcome to the podcast of introducing our daily routine and our dyslexia therapy program.
Okay, this volume is entirely too low to be understandable and to be enjoyable. So I'm going to amplify the volume through the whole podcast. So I go up to the menu and I hit select. I'm going to select all. That will select the whole podcast in its entirety. Then I will go up to effect and scroll down to right here where it says volume and compression and click on amplify. Amplify pops up this menu here where we can do amplification, and it's going to give us some presets of what we can choose. I'm going to go out of this and show you where these numbers come from. When I press play,
Hi,
and you see how this
welcome to
peaks
the
over
podcast
here,
of
the sound.
introducing our daily routine and our dyslexia therapy program.
It is below -30, and we know that the larger this number is, the negative number, the farther from zero it is. So if I go closer to 0 on the number line, the sound should get louder. So I'm going to select again, all, go to effect, volume and compression, amplify, and we see that this is preset already to 0. So if I hit apply, the sound waves are obviously much larger. So I'm going to listen.
Hi, welcome to the podcast of introducing our daily routine and our dyslexia therapy program.
Much better, much better. So I'm going to save these changes and look for something else to change on my podcast. I was listening to it again to see if there were any other changes I needed to make. When I got to this section here, I noticed a gap in sound. Let's give it a listen.
Learning. We will code the word.
That's a little bit too much dead time there. So I've decided that I want to delete this space or this dead air. So I'm going to click on this area here about where I want to delete the dead air. And I'm going up to the selector tool to select the area that I would like to delete or take out. Oops. So I'm going to Okay, I can hit the delete key, or I can go up to the menu, edit, and delete, and that cuts that dead air out. So let's listen to it one more time.
Learning. We will code the words
and it goes straight into what else I wanted to say. I found a place with a little bit of dead space, and then I say So I want to delete that. So I'm going here to start it, and I want to let you listen.
Where we write the.
So I'm going to go back right here to this dead space, take the selector tool again, select up here until I get to and then I will just hit the delete key, and it automatically saves those changes for me.